वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्यश्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
May I now request my Lord the Honorable the Chief Justice to unfurl the national flag. May I now request my Lord the Honorable the Chief Justice to deliver His Lordship's independence message.
My learned brothers and sister on the bench, Mr. B.S. Prashad, the learned Advocate General of the state of Telangana, Mr. A. Narasimha Reddy, the Chairman of the Bar Council of Telangana, Mr. T. Surya Karan Reddy, the President of the High Court Bar Association and the Additional Solicitor General of India, Mr. N. Rajeshwar Rao, the Assistant Solicitor General of India, the learned members of the Bar, the learned registrars of the High Court, Mr. Santosh Reddy, the Law Secretary and the President of the State Judicial Officers Association, the Member Secretary, Telangana State Legal Service Authority, the Secretary, High Court Legal Service Committee, the staff members of the High Court, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the 74th year of our independence. The occasion is of course a portentous one as we celebrate our hard-earned independence. However, it is equally a solemn event as we are passing through perhaps the most critical moment of our existence as a nation, as a state, and as individuals. Unfortunately, we have already lost a few advocates, both young and old, and an employee of the State Judicial Academy to the pandemic. Therefore, let us first pray for those noble souls who are no longer amongst our midst. May they find eternal peace at the feet of the Almighty. We should also welcome those of our friends and colleagues, the staff members and lawyers who have recovered from COVID-19 and are safely back amongst our midst. We must also express our gratitude to the Almighty for keeping all of us safe and sound while the pandemic storm blows over our heads. To say the least, the last 5 months have been trying times, but it is times like these which test our souls and challenge our ingenuity. I am proud to say that while the Indian judiciary tried to adjust to the new normal it was the High Court of Telangana which was in the forefront. Thanks to the cooperation of my learned brothers and sisters, to the cooperation of all the lawyers, to the cooperation of the members of the registry and the staff, the Telangana High Court was the first and only High Court that ran all its 9 benches through video conferencing for the last 5 months. It is a singular achievement for any High Court to reach, and let me also share you, it was something that was noticed practically by every single High Court, as I kept on getting calls from all the Chief Justices wondering how the High Court of Telangana has managed to achieve something that none could. Therefore, I am indebted to all of you for your untiring support during these critical months. Undoubtedly, both the lawyers and the litigants are facing unparalleled problems. Fortunately for the former, the state government came to their financial rescue by sanctioning 25 crores. The first installment has already been paid to the advocates and to the advocates' clerks. We hope soon we should be in a position to deposit the second installment as well. The government has also designated 3 hospitals for taking care of those advocates and those advocates' clerks and their families who may suffer from coronavirus. I would therefore like to thank the state government for its concern for the needs of the legal fraternity. We are equally concerned about our employees in order to look after the medical treatment of our contractual and outsourced resource employees. We have created a COVID-19 fund. Not only have the honorable judges of this court, but also the judicial officers of the state have generously contributed to the fund. We have taken out Corona Kavach insurance policy for an insured sum of 2.5 lakhs for our 2,119 employees so that their medical bills for the corona treatment can be taken care of. For the benefit of the litigants and lawyers, in the past 1 month, we have launched 3 mobile vans which are well equipped for allowing video conferencing. This too is a singular achievement, as it is the state of Telangana and the High Court of Telangana as the first in the country to have launched such vans. Soon we hope to launch the other remaining vans so as to be able to cover all the judicial districts of the state. With these mobile vans, we would be in a position to take literally justice to the doorsteps of the people. Thus, our concern is not only for the common man, but it is equally for every member of the legal fraternity. We Indians are known for our tenacity and our courage. No matter how perilous the situation may be, no matter how difficult the terrain may be, I'm sure we will all come out victorious. After all, we won our freedom from those who ruled over us for 300 years. We shall triumph again. Jai Hind.
We thank you, Lordship, very much for the message. Now I request, my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, and other dignitaries of Corona pandemic, and in spite of heavy rains for the last 2-3 days, all you have graced the occasion. The Registry profoundly thank all of you, my Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, and other dignitaries who are present here. We thank you very much. Now, national anthem will be played.